In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print off yearly gross income in QuickBooks Online. If you need a clean snapshot of how much money your business brought in over the year, this is exactly what you're looking for. We'll use the profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online, set it to a full year period, and then print or save it for your records. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left navigation menu and click Reports. This is the hub for all financial statements in QuickBooks, and it's where you'll find the report that summarizes your income and expenses. In the search bar at the top of the reports page, type profit and loss. When you see profit and loss appear in the results, click it to open the report. This report is ideal because it organizes your revenue in the income section and then shows expenses below, so you can clearly see what was earned before anything is deducted. Before running the report, set the time frame to cover the year you want. Click the report period dropdown. You can choose this year if you're pulling the current calendar year, last year, for the previous year, or pick custom and set January 1st through December 31 for a specific year. Using the custom option is especially helpful if you want a calendar year view and your books are set to a different fiscal year. When your dates look right, click Run Report to refresh the numbers. Your yearly gross income will appear near the top in the income section. If you use multiple income accounts, you'll see each one listed with a total at the bottom of that section. That total represents your gross income for the selected period. It's your revenue before any expenses are taken out. If your numbers look off, double check the date range at the top. Also note that totals can differ based on whether the report is set to cash or accrual. Use the method your accountant expects for consistency. When you're ready to print, go to the top right of the report and click the print icon. A print preview will open so you can confirm the title, company name, and date range display correctly. If everything looks good, click print and then select your printer. If you'd rather keep a digital copy, choose Save as PDF in the print dialog to download it to your computer. This is a great option for emailing to lenders, attaching to tax documents, or archiving in your files. And that's it, your yearly gross income, clearly presented and ready to share or save.